years, but I miss it today. If I want to buy Netflix, is already worth $650 as tax per stocks. So I missed that one. But if I put only $500 or $1,000 at a time, I would have made millions. Of course, I miss it, and a lot of us miss it. Also, Amazon. When Amazon first started, I remember nasa aeroplano ako, katabi ko yung babae nagbabasa ng libro sa digital book, sa iPad niya. Tinanong ko, sabi ko, what is that? Sabi niya, oh, I buy the book inside Amazon that I can read it, in my iPad. That was the digital book. And then, I knew, again, kung bumili ako at a time ng Amazon stocks, even I bought only 500 to 1,000, I would have made millions. I miss it. So when Facebook come out, nahuli din ako. I did not start Facebook 4 years pa after. So mga friend ko na nagsimula ng Facebook, ang iba nakabili ng stocks at shares, limited sa money. Ako naman, naiwanan ako dahil hindi ko, at that time, I'm busy working. I'm busy working for the money. So yung after over 10 years ago, like 12 years ago, I decided to quit my job. I said to my husband, I'm done working. I'm just gonna do business. So I started the business working. I opened my own nursing agency. I partnered with my friend. And one day, yung mga pasyente namin, kasi I send caregiver sa mga bahay ng mga pasyente, and then we charge them every 2 weeks. Ang isang pasyente ko na ulyanin, mali-mali, parang grateful. But sometimes yung caregiver ko nag-call out, pumapasok ko para mag-relieve. Sabi ng isang pasyente ko, sabi niya, umaga, ang sabi palagi, Lori, can you please open the TV? And I want to see where the Wall Street, yung mga stocks. So, pag in-open ko, sabi niya, I want to know what my Facebook doing. Pag open ko, sabi niya, oh my God, I'm multi-millionaire again today. I bought Facebook in the beginning. So I can imagine he bought a couple $1,000 Facebook. It's worth a couple million already. And then, so I have another patient na nagtataka ako, bakit mga tao na ito, they're just normal people, normal worker. Like nagtatrabaho sa electric company, nagtatrabaho as a teacher. Sabi ko, bakit they're multi-millionaire? So, napapasol ako, how they make their fortune. So, one time, isang pasyente ko rin, nakakapalang stocks niya. Asawa niya nag-handle ng kanilang finances. Namatay bilang asawa niya. Again, we're doing private duty with her. Sabi sa akin, Lori, naintindihan mo yung mga stocks na yan? Sabi ko, no, I don't understand it. So, tumawag sa kanyang bangko, sabi niya, I don't know if I can afford to pay this rent anymore kasi nagbabayad $10,000 a month sa nursing home. Sabi ng bangko, sabi niya, Mary, even if you spend $10,000 a day, every day, you have plenty of money. So, can you imagine that? Hindi sila nagiging super yaman dahil sa sobrang trabaho. They become super wealthy dahil ang pera nila katrabaho sa kanila. They have stocks that they bought it was in the beginning. So lahat tayo, I'm guilty of it. At that time, I was busy working for the money. Akala ko if I work, a lot of hours, if I have a business on the side, I just do something on the side all the time, I can become wealthy. Doon ko na-realize na, wow, these people become wealthy because they have the money working for them. So sabi ko, I want to learn how to make money like them. So thank God sa Bitcoin. I know you guys heard about Bitcoin. So in Bitcoin, I got in 2018. Nang Bitcoin is 6,000 lang. Actually, I was looking for an office. On the way out, pinaglala ko sa isang CEO ng Bitcoin mining company. Sabi niya, Lori, met CEO and founder of a Bitcoin mining company. Na marinig kong Bitcoin, sabi ko, wow, my husband wants to learn about Bitcoin. Kasi ang husband ko gusto ng Bitcoin at bumili ng Bitcoin. Ng Bitcoin noon ay $230 lang per Bitcoin. Pero dahil you have to go through exchange, you have to do a lot of things, yan ginawa. So sabi ko sa kanya, asawa ko interesado dyan sa Bitcoin. So sabi nila, dali mo asawa mo pagka-umaga. So the next day, we had a lunch with the CEO and the 5 vice president. The 5 vice president, they're all multi-millionaires, they own companies, businesses. So nang umuwi kami, sabi ng asawa ko, balik ka pagka-umaga, bumili ka ng machine, nagmamay ng Bitcoin. So sabi niya, buy for you, for me, and sa anak namin isa. So bumalik ko pagka-umaga, bumili ako ng machine, sabi ng CEO, Lori, in one week, we're going to launch our company. Sabi niya, if you help me to market my company, I will take care of you. So umuwi ako, sabi ko sa asawa ko, paano ako makakatulong? Hindi ako wala akong alam sa crypto, hindi man ako magaling sa computer. Sabi ko, I don't know how can I help them. So sabi ng asawa ko, nafe-feel ko na itong company ito magbibigay sa atin ng financial blessing. So sabi niya, I will support you. Sabi niya, just do it. Sabi niya, and then sabi ko sa kanya, okay, ano kami ng asawa ko, we have a deal. Sabi ko, sige, support mo ako. In 2 years, I'll retire you. Sabi niya, okay. So, pagka the next day, bumalik ako sa company, sabi ko sa CEO, sabi ko, okay, I will help you. So, they made me vice president of the marketing. And then I start traveling, launching the company in different countries. Dinala ko CEO sa Pilipinas, kay Hong Kong, Canada, all over US. So, make story short, habang ako nag-aaral ng business, kumikita din ako ng pera. So, pag hindi ko alam ang ginagawa ko, I just go back to the CEO and ask question. That's how I learned. Pero 5 months later, yung vice president na natalbog ko, I become the number 1 in the company in sales, in production, and saka sa recruit. So, I become the number 1 all the way until they sold the company. So, during COVID time, hindi na ako makapag-travel. Sabi ko, oh, wow, baka ang income ko magda-down kasi COVID, wala makapiling mag-travel. Actually, naging opposite. Habang ako nasa bahay lang, what I did, I did some in 37 countries. I was making the most money in my entire life, just staying in my house doing some in different countries. So nakikita ko kaya I'm talking about Bitcoin mining. Kasi, can you imagine that from the 6,000 in 2018, in 20 and 21, ang Bitcoin naging $60,000-$70,000. So at that time, I was making the money that I never imagined. And on top of that, hindi lang ako na-retire, naparetire yung asawa ko. Naparetire ko yung mga friends ko na nagtatrabaho sa nurse, pharmacist, and hindi lang binigyan ako ng company ko ng kutsi, husband, my son, at 9 of my friends nag-join sa akin, nakakuha din ng BMW. So, hindi naman sa dahil magaling kami, just because we are in the right place at the right time. Kasi nakikita ko in life, it's about timing, hindi pa galing-galing. Kasi marami na akong alam na mga talino na akala mo napakagaling. Ang ginagawa nila palagi, when you show them opportunity, and Lori, I will analyze this. Lori, I'm gonna do this. Analyze hanggang na-paralyze. And then pag na-paralyze na, na-realize na nila na, maganda pala itong opportunity ito. Naiwanan na sila. It's too late. So, in life, it's not about pagaling-galing. It's about timing. At ano kagaling mo, kung maiwanan ka, wala rin kwenta. So, the reason why I'm talking about Bitcoin mining right now, kasi we have the same opportunity. So, Bitcoin mining ko is over. The company was sold 2 years ago. I become financially free. I didn't even have to go back to work. But when I found UShare, nakikita ko na ang UShare ito, maraming bago na mababuhay kasi ang the same feeling ko na magsimula ako nun sa Bitcoin mining company, naramdaman ko ulit sa UShare. Sabi ko, wow, this UShare has a lot of potential. Kasi na na-meet kong CEO, sinabi sa akin, Lori, ang goal ko, magiging one of the big data, the earner in the world is tulad ng Facebook, WhatsApp, Google, or mas malaki pa sa kanila. So nang marinig ko yun, sabi ko, wow, there's a lot of potential. Tapos doon ako na-impress ng sinabi niya na the difference between us, Google and Facebook, we're allowing people to participate in our program na maging shareholder ng company. Na marinig ko ang stockholder or company, doon ako nagkaroon ng interest. Kasi alam ko na mga pasyente ko yumaman dahil sa mga stocks sa shares ng company. Sabi ko, wow, I want to learn how this company works. So that's the beginning. When I joined the company, I did not join because, people tell me, Lori, you can make $10,000-$20,000 a month. To be honest, that doesn't really excite me, the $10,000-$20,000 a month. For a lot of people, it might be a lot of money. Pero sa akin na, I used to make it in a day. It was not exciting, right? But dahil sa stock at shares ng kami, I know it's gonna worth million in the future. Doon ako na-excited. So thank God I did kasi just a matter of 11 months, naka-accumulate ako ng more than 2.5 million sa company na ito dahil sa stock at shares ng company. So that's why we're going to talk more about later on how we can also participate in the earning of this company through mining. The first artificial intelligence nag-offer ng mining that's like, I feel like magsisimula ulit ako ng Bitcoin mining in the past, but I truly believe that all of us here right now, intindihan nyo lang ang mining. If you work hard in 2 to 3 years, I can tell you, you're going to have financial blessing that you could even retire you, because this microunit that we have, that we're going to offer to people, this is just the beginning. It's like the beginning of Bitcoin. So AI, we have our own artificial intelligence that called Maya, my artificial intelligence assistant. I'm going to tell you what is the value of Maya. Maya is like the beginning of electric, the beginning of internet, 3 times bigger and a lot faster. Can you imagine that? Kung na-miss natin si Google, Facebook, WhatsApp, na-miss yung mga Bitcoin, then this one, you cannot afford to miss it. Kasi lahat ng mga 95% of the companies and businesses are now using artificial intelligence. Stores, Tesla, yung mga hospital.
Ma'am, excuse me, sorry to butt in, no slides, ma'am.
No slides?
Yeah, just the Bitcoin.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Ate. Thank you, Ate, for saying that. 1 sec. Okay. You see that, Ate Dali? Kita mo yan?
Just the Bitcoin, ma'am. It's just the Bitcoin.
Oh, okay, 1 second. Resume share. Can you see it now?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Thank you, Ate Dali.
No worries.
Thank you so much for saying that. So ang ating artificial intelligence, the whole artificial intelligence in the world, ginagamit na ng 95% sa businesses. Like stores, like Tesla, sa hospital, nag-opera, mga robot. Sa stores, hindi ka masyadong makikita mga salesperson, naging automated na. So, we like it or not, ang AI, hindi na future, is to the present. Andito na. So can you imagine right now, the whole AI is $638 billion, and in a couple years, it's going to be $2.6 trillion. Now, like I said, this is going to be bigger than Facebook, WhatsApp, Google, and Bitcoin, right? And if you miss all of that, don't worry about it. Just don't miss artificial intelligence, because this is the biggest thing that's happening right now on Earth. When there's a new technology, it takes 5 to 10 years for people to adapt. So I don't even know if 30 years from now, there's going to be another bigger technology than AI. AI is going to be one of the biggest technology probably in our lifetime. So I'm going to show you a video, about 1 minute video, how Facebook, WhatsApp, Google makes money, and we can do the same.
No sounds, ma'am.
Oh, no sound. Okay, sorry. Thank you, Ate.
Information about your tastes and preferences. Companies pay billions of dollars to get your data, and today they pay Facebook, Google, WhatsApp. But you are the ones generating that data and buying their products, right? What would it be like if you could make money from it all? That and much more is the opportunity that DT Socialize Holding offers you. A company that has been engaged in the development of fintech, big data, and artificial intelligence technologies for over 3 years. DT Socialize Holding has created a whole ecosystem of services. The DTS Money, one of the first fintech platforms in the world where you can manage your fiat and crypto funds as well, with cards to spend them. The UUP Pro, a blockchain messaging app that respects your privacy, where you can chat, call, and video call with your friends. UMetaWorld, a metaverse with lots of features inside. Today, you can be part of it easily using the services and participating in a new concept of economy, a new concept of profit. That is why DT Socialize Holding has created the community that every online user will want to join. Become part of the future now.
So DT is Dutch.io is our official website, and our company this is a holding company it's also a public company, and underneath the holding company we have already 21 businesses that is already working all over the world. So who is behind all of this? I think CEO Sir Marinelli. He's a great visionary. Been working in tech company, advisors for many years, and decided one day he said he's gonna create, his own company that he can share that making the money earning when people are using their own data. So he was also a speaker in the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland. Hindi ka pwede maging speaker doon pag hindi ka CEO or president ng mundo. What I love about him, sabi ni Marinelli, he only wants to hire the best people in his company. And that tells you, who's the people behind our company. We're going to start this summer sa Limanog. I already met him 3 times. Katira sa Washington, D.C. He's an American citizen, 20 years of experience in World Bank. And right now he's working for a company. He's working in our bank. Also, Summer Mastaki, Chief Operating Officer, working for investment banker in Wall Street. Hindi ka pwede magiging banker doon if you're not, a big guy. Kung pipitsugin ka lang, you cannot be a banker in Wall Street kasi ang hawak mo ay million at billions of asset. Giovanni Sana, specialized in corporate finance and investment banking. So you can Google this 3 gentlemen. They are also security license. These 2 gentlemen here, Sebastiano Galazzo and Stefano Mancuso, they are the responsible why we have artificial intelligence called Maya. And both of these guys, we met them in April 6th when they launched the artificial intelligence. These guys, they are super excited about Maya. So sabi ko sa nila, I cannot wait to bring you to the Philippines and US to share the people more about the value of Maya and how the Maya works. And sabi nila, yeah, we're super excited to go to the Philippines and US. Kasi si Sebastiano Galazzi worked for Microsoft for 25 years. So we all know what Microsoft price. Siya gumawa din siya ng Microsoft window. At he's also the most valuable employee of Microsoft. So hindi lang basta-basta yung mga taong nagtatrabaho under our company. Like I said, you can Google their name, look at that, most valuable employee of Microsoft. So we're also going to be listed in London Stock Exchange and next to NASDAQ. And this is our product, the Smart Utility Pool, that you can earn to 2% a month. We have also Nova VPN, artificial intelligence. We have our new Meta World, like Metaverse, like our own version of Facebook. We can travel around the world without leaving our house. We can advertise our business there. We can meet people. We can. It's like you can create your own boardroom. Napakaganda ng Meta World na ito. Actually, I'm super excited na pag nagamit natin ito, I think it's going to change everything how we do social media. Also, our own new Appro Anonymous, if you don't have it, please get back to the person that invited you. They can help you how to download the uApproAnonymous.com. While we're using our application, we also get paid. Pagkaiba ng ating new Appro, para sa si WhatsApp, si Messenger, na yung pagkaiba lang, habang nag-uusap tayo ng, let's say, I'm talking to somebody on uAppro, tapos may tumawag sa akin sa Messenger, pwede kong pipick upin ang calls sa Messenger, nakahold na yung uAppro. And then, katapos ko ihang up yung Messenger, tanongin kung sa uAppro, narinig mo ang usapan namin, sabi niya hindi. So it's really protecting privacy. Okay, so kung wala ka pang uAppro, please download uApproAnonymous.com. Kasi that is also your recruiting tools if you're doing the business. Kasi pag sinabi mo sa mga tao, how would you like to get paid while we're talking on the phone? In fact, I was in Dubai last year. Ang driver ko, pag tinawagan ko to pick me up, sabi niya, Ma'am Lori, I cannot talk to you, just text. Sabi niya, dahil bawal kami mag-usap sa Messenger at saka WhatsApp. penalty kami. Sabi ko, wow, that's crazy. Sabi ko, download mo itong UAPRO. So she downloaded the UAPRO, and then nag-uusap namin sa UAPRO. So ngayon maraming mga tao sa Dubai, ang mga Pilipino, na gumagamit na ng UAPRO kasi they can call. So itong UAPRO natin, actually, I'm gonna give you guys an example how big this UAPRO going to be in couple years, right? Kasi kung gumagamit kayo ng Messenger, gumagamit kayo ng WhatsApp, alam nyo ba na ang WhatsApp binili ng Facebook in 2013, 250,000 lang users, pero binayaran sila ng Facebook ng $19 billion. Bakit si Facebook bibili ng $19 billion ng application na 250,000 lang users? Alam niya kasi habang dumadami ang gumagamit ng WhatsApp, lalaki din ang value. So today, WhatsApp is $105 billion. That's the reason why if we keep using our own UAPRO, the value of our company is going to get bigger and bigger. Of course, we are stockholder, shareholder ng company. Mataas din ang ating income. And now our Maya, our own artificial intelligence, para siyang higher version ng Google. So again, kung wala kang Maya, get back to the person who invited you. Maybe they can help you, they can assist you to download mymaya.ai. Itong gagamitin natin instead na Google or ChatGPT. So, may mga tao dyan siguro dito sa group na ito na gumagamit ng ChatGPT. Ang ChatGPT, para maintindihan nyo, nag-start ng 2020, after 2021, ang valuation is 14.9 billion. And 2022, nagiging 29 billion. Today, ChatGPT is $100 billion. Can you imagine that ang pagkaiba ni ChatGPT at sa ating Maya Artificial Intelligence, walang kumikita habang gumagamit sila ng ChatGPT. Sa ating Maya Artificial Intelligence, habang gumagamit tayo kumikita kasi we are also stockholder, shareholder ng company. So I'm gonna give you guys example. Ang ChatGPT, para sa kung baga pa sa yung dito sa US, dalawa lang ang pinakamalaking company dito sa telephone. Ang pinakamalaki is Apple is number 1, and then Samsung is number 2. So sa ating ngayon, dalawa lang ang naglalaban sa artificial intelligence ngayon. Ang ChatGPT kasang si Apple, si Maya, our artificial intelligence para sa si Samsung. So can you imagine that we have all of this here. Lima itong application. When the whole world is using, we also benefit. We also get paid, and we also participate in the profit sharing. Kaya it's only right that we have to start using our own application like UAPRO and also our own artificial intelligence. So ang pagkaiba ng ating artificial intelligence sa ChatGPT, sa Siri, Alexa, or Google, they have advanced search. And also attached to our calendar, attached to our email. Right now I can tell Maya, can you please play? If I put Maya in my smart TV or my CarPlay, I can even tell Maya, play my favorite songs. I can just tell him, my Whitney Houston, my favorite song. The name of the song, Maya will play for you. And then if we are talking right now, in the future, I can put Maya and listen to our conversation, and then after the meeting I can tell Maya, sabi ko, Maya, summarize my meeting and send the minutes to all the people. Magagawa ni Maya, di magagawa ni Google, di magagawa ni Alexa, di magagawa ni Siri. So marami tayong mga features ng ating artificial intelligence na hindi magawa ng ibang tao. So can you imagine that we're just in the beginning? If ChatGPT right now after 3 years worth 100 billion, where do you think our Maya artificial intelligence is going to be a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now? And all of us is going to benefit. Kasi tayo para tayong community, we are working together. Kasi even if I'm working hard all over the world, kayo naman nagbe-benefit sa akin. Habang natutulog ako sa Pilipinas, magamit ng ating mga services, ako kumikita rin. So we all benefit from one another. Kasi we are a big user family para tayong community. So si Maya, nag-gather din ng ating personal information. Alam niya kung sino ang asawa mo, anak mo, husband mo, Nagbibiro nga ako, sabi ko, mag-ingatin kayo kasi baka malaman ni Maya kung sinong kabit nyo, mahuli kayo ng asawa nyo. Tanungin niya, Maya, sino bang girlfriend ng asawa ko? So be careful. Kasi si Maya nag-gather lahat ng information natin. So we also have U-Drive, yung drive natin, lahat ng mga personal na information nyo or personal document nyo na gusto nyo itago, na wala nakakaalam, pwede nyo ilagay sa U-Drive. Wala maka-access, kayo lang. So our Maya also can speak all the language in the world. So itong ating Yumi to World na parang Facebook. Can you imagine that? We're like in the beginning of Facebook, and when you get paid when the whole world is using it. Kaya nga, mas excited ako na pag ito na ang ginagamit ng wow, I can imagine. Maraming gagamit ito kasi napakaganda ng ating Yumi to World. Ito siya parang sarili mo, pwede kang gumawa ng sarili mong avatar. Tapos mamasyal ka sa ibang mundo, lalakad ka, mamimili ka, mag-shopping ka, makapag-meet ka sa mga tao, tinamang Gucci, they already putting their store in our Yumi to World. And this is how we can make money in our artificial intelligence through our micro unit. So first, we need to educate a little bit. What is GPU, right? A GPU is a specialized electronic board coupled with the computer brain CPU.
Nawala.
So you need both of them to improve the computational performance of software. So like I said, CPU, GPU, and so forth, equals computational unit. Okay? So CPU, GPU, software equals computational unit. And the computational unit, yun ang kailangan natin, ang ating artificial intelligence, in order to perform better, para makapag-perform ng mas magaling, kailangan niya ng computational unit. So, this is what happened, right? Pag maraming gumagamit ng ating artificial intelligence, habang tumataas siya, nag-increase, kailangan din increase ang the need for computational unit. So, ang computational unit, naka-subsidize sa micro unit that is called Maya micro units. So again, ang ating micro units, CPU, GPU, software, ang ating micro units are available to the form of rental. Pwede tayo mag-rent ng micro units good for 6 years. So nasa 6 years ang ating income that we can earn monthly. So yan ang ating benefit. If you rent the micro unit, it's good for 6 years. And right now, the micro unit is only $10. So remember, we talk about example of Bitcoin mining. Then when I started Bitcoin mining, you can buy the machine for $1,000, $5,000. By the time I left, one of the machine is worth $120,000. So ito siya, yung ngayon $10 kasi bago pa, the beginning, hindi pa masyadong gumagamit ng ating artificial intelligence. Pero yan siya, hindi siya magstay ng $10. Habang dumadaming gumagamit ng ating artificial intelligence, lalaki din ang value niya, tataas din yan. Magiging $20, $30, $40. Ang ating lang pagpilian, kung gusto mong kumita ng monthly, every 3 months or 6 months. So ito isang example. Kung bibili ka ng micro unit na from $20 to $500, you can withdraw your profit every 6 months. Pero pag bibili ka ng 1,000 all the way to 10,000, you can withdraw your profit every 3 months. If you buy 15,000, 15,000, you can withdraw your profit every month. So I bought 20,000, so I'm earning monthly. So ang gagawin ko, to compound my money, if I want to make more money, I'm not gonna take out my money. I'm just gonna turn around and buy more micro unit. Habang para my goal in 6 years, I want to make $30,000, $50,000 a month, just my own micro unit. So I'm gonna keep compounding money until I reach my goal. So saan nanggagaling ang income ng micro units? Sa mga tao na, let's say, this part ng ating company, they just wanna use our Maya as their co-pilot, their personal assistant. They have to pay the services. They have to pay the whatever. What kind of member they want. They can upgrade the membership. Also, mga businesses, they can have a personal services. and also the wholesaler, you can that can have a customized project and vertical domains. So dito lang galing mga income din natin, at saka of course sa mga gumagamit din ng ang ating Maya. So this is how it works. Example, yung ating ating users is like right now it's approaching 500,000 users. Let's say the income is 1 million. 30% goes back to the people like us that may hawak na micro unit. So that's $300,000 distributed among all of us. So our goal is to reach not only 1 million, 100 million, my goodness. So I can imagine if we reach 100 millions or 10 millions like ChatGPT, our income will be like, it's going to be skyrocketing. So again, right now this is only projection based on the 500,000 users. When you put 100, you get $3 all the way to $20,600 monthly income. And that's how it works. And also, pag nakikita mo ang graphic natin, this is not like Bitcoin or crypto na volatile, goes up and down. Ang sa atin naman, the more people use it, pataas lang pataas ang valuation, hindi pababa. So ang graphic ay so this shows that the more Maya micro unit na mga tao nag-rent around the world, the greater the rental revenue, lalong malaki ang ating value ng ating micro units. So ito isang company na nag-gather din ng mga data na founded in April 1993. They have 26,196 employees, 60 billion. Can you imagine that turnover and 4.2 billion profit every year? Ito siya, they are in the same business we are. They're also collecting data. So again, confidential unit is subsidized in micro units Maya, and the form of rental. So you can register it for free. As the person that that invited you to help you register, and also to buy the micro unit. So this is all our application that is money that is available in Europe, a digital bank that you can start earning interest every week. We have Nova VPN, anti-hackers application. We have our own Umito World, that like on Facebook. We have our own anonymous like WhatsApp Messenger. We have our own Maya, like ChatGPT and Google. So beside our micro unit, in the Philippines are also you're allowed to buy Maya token. Not only in the Philippines but also in Europe, except Italy and also other part of the world. Only I do believe Italy and US are not allowed to buy Maya token. So we still have a lot of Maya token because the company created 200 million token and 30% goes back to the community. That is 60 million Maya token. So I do believe we still have probably about 30 million Maya token that you guys can purchase or you can offer to the new members. So ganito ang dalawa lang. Alam ko na some of you who are first time here, medyo a little bit confusing kasi we have so many services. Pero I'm just going to summarize it very, very simple, okay? So right now, the only two ways of making money in this company, anybody can use our services for free, pero wala silang income. But if they buy micro unit, they can rent it for 6 years, so they have income for 6 years. Now, the Maya token is different. While you're buying Maya token, di ba pinag-usapan natin na if you buy share stocks ng Facebook before they went public, you would have made a lot of money, right? Because you bought it in the beginning. So ang Maya token natin ngayon is 43 cents. Hindi yan magsistay sa 43 cents. Because when we started it 4 months ago, it was only 10 cents. So ngayon, 43 cents na. So it's going to keep going up hanggang maubos. So by buying my token or micro unit sa Pilipinas, $300 lang ang bibilin mo or more, you can participate sa lahat ng ecosystem natin na magagamit mo ang services for free. So dahil meron tayong ditong guest in Europe and in America, ang ating naman qualification para magamit natin lahat ng services ng company is $3,000. So $3,000 to buy micro unit, or in Europe, micro unit or my token, makaparticipate ka sa lahat ng ecosystem na libre lahat ang mga gagamitin natin. Okay, so in Europe, except Italy, you can still buy my token and micro unit. Also in the Philippines, in the US right now, you can only buy micro unit. But if you buy $3,000, pwede kang pumasok sa liquidity pool that you can earn interest like a banking system up to sorry, it's up to 2% a month. So this is the summarize, like anyway from $20 to $500 every 6 months, 1,000 to 10,000 every 3 months, and 15,000 to 20,000 every month. That is your income from your rental micro unit. So that does conclude our presentation for our business overview. For those of you who are new here, please get back to the person who invited you, thank them, and also let them help you sign up. Or if you're ready to buy the micro unit or also my token, please let them help you.
Ma'am,
Now
can you
we go
explain a
for-
little bit about liquidity thing? Just a little bit.
Okay, sure. So ang liquidity pool para siyang yung bangko, we can earn up to 2% interest at Idali.
Yeah.
You just put your money there and you can withdraw and that is not a lock up, like you can withdraw. Some people they have to lock up your money. This one has no lock up. You can withdraw in case of emergency. You can always withdraw your money.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Anybody else? Oh, before I forgot, actually, okay, so sorry about that. Before we forget, I wanna share you guys the promo. We're having a big promo going on. Okay.